This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x390 TBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, refrigerator, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, TV, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x390 TBS is 14,565 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.